Ona thengia wa thirikari kwarira mitaratara ya kurigiriria COVID-19 na njira ya kuingiriria muingi icigo-ini itiganite, muthia no ureyumiria gitumi kinene kiria kigiritanitwo na gutamba kwa murimu uyu. Rungu rwa mathaa 24 ma uthuthuria wa kinyi wigie murimu wa COVID-19 bururi-ini wa mukirite igutha ria andu atatu aria matete muoyo na mbere anene ya ikwiyandikithitio gukinyagiria riu ni riu turugamiire iku 29.
I'm equally saddened to inform you that we have lost 3 other patients. 2 are from Nairobi, while 1 is from Mombasa. This now brings to 29 the number of people lost to this disease.
Thutha wa ithimi kunganio kuma kuri Akenya 632 25 wao monekanite kunyitwo ni murimu uyu na gukinyeria ithabu ria arwaru riria andu 607.
This number is growing, as you can see, and we must do all that we can to stop it from escalating.
Murimu uyu ni urikitie kwihanda thiini wa kaunti 18 na ica ikuhire Isiolo na mundu umwe, maruru ma Mombasa makionekana guikuruka umuthi na no mundu umwe urwarite.
The one case in Mombasa, well, that's good news to see that we have picked up only one case in Mombasa this time. It's from Likoni, while that of Nakuru is from Solai. The age range is from 8 years for the youngest to 73 years for the oldest.
Gatagati-ini ka andu 25 aria monekanite na murimu uyu, 22 ni a Kenya, umwe ni wa bururi wa Uganda, umwe ni wa Tanzania na umwe ni Muchaina. Itura ria Isli iritirionania ndariri cia guikurukia maruru maya na thiini wa arwaru 17 aria monekanite Nairobi, 9 ao maumite Isli na wacio angi 8 makanyagio maturi-ini ma Kawangware, Parklands, Riruta, South C, Umoja na Juja Road.
Family members or community members who are welcoming those who are coming from the high risk areas that we have earmarked, you are also placing yourself in danger. Placing yourself in danger by bringing to your home, even if they are your kin, people who may be able to spread the disease to you.
Uhoro mwega ni ati andu angi 7 ni marekereirio thutha wa kona na gukinyeria andu 197 aria mahonete, arume nao makionekana kuhatiririo muno ni ndwari ino.
It is safe to assume that each and every one of us is infected. If we make that assumption, then we need to adhere to the only weapon that we have of controlling this disease, which is all the measures that we have been talking about.
I'm glad to tell you that a patient who was on mechanical ventilatory support at Kenyatta University has been moved out of a ventilator, is able to breathe on his own.
Thirikari yugite ati arwaru aria mahatire bururi-ini wa India ni undu wa mirimu ngurani ni makwanjia kuingira bururi-ini, riri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri cakaite kuingira kwa murimu kugerera mihaka.
As I conclude, I want to inform you that the government has made plans to evacuate Kenyans who had traveled to India for treatment. I think when the measures of travel were put in place, we had a number of Kenyans who had sought treatment in India being held up there.
Uthuthuria wonanitie murimu uyu uri no hoti wa kunyaga micini na mituki agikorwo andu a family matirathingatithia mitaratara igwete ya kurigiriria COVID-19 ta kwaga gukuhaniriria. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.